Ask any chef, and I guarantee their favorite way of cooking a chicken will be roasting. Trussing is just making sure it's all nice and tight in. A good way to making sure that's happening, pick it up. You can even do the chicken dance. This will guarantee my chicken will be nice, firm, and had a great shape when I get it out of the oven. In order to make sure this roasted chicken is full of juices, I'm making a brine. I start with hot liquids. And a brine's two key ingredients are salt, and in this case, brown sugar. Then I just add my favorite flavoring. For extra deep notes and for coloring, lots and lots of balsamic. I want that tartness and the umami that the balsamic brings in. It will also add beautiful color to the skin. Never add a hot to a cold. I'm gonna turn this off and orange juice, just to make sure my brine is nice and cold before it hits the chicken. Make sure you have enough brine to cover the whole chicken and wait for bubbles. Those bubbles indicate the brine is inside the cavity and the whole chicken is being brined.
You coming to take over, Chef?
Yes. I like roasting in a salt crust, which allowed me to keep all the juices in. And believe me, it's a showstopper. It all starts with egg whites. Now, you ask yourself all the time, what came first, the chicken or the egg? In a salt crust, it's the egg. I want to make sure there's enough air to hold this amount of salt. I'm building clay with this salt. Lots and lots and lots of salt. Besides salt, flavoring. This is gonna cover my chicken and it's gonna build a beautiful oven around it to hold all the moisture. What I have is a beautiful golden chicken from the balsamic and the sugar. Now, before I hit it with salt, I want to fill the cavity with a lot of herbs. This does two things. Adds a punch of extra beautiful flavor and aroma, and it also forbids the sand from coming into the cavity and extra salting my chicken. I want to make sure the whole chicken is fully covered with a thick layer of salt. The better it's covered up, the more steam it will lock in, and the moister and richer my chicken will be.
Don't burn your hands.
Sean, are you ready? This is a one-time deal. You got that? Fantastic. Oh my God, it looks amazing. Guys, you gotta try this. It's definitely worth every piece of salt.
And I always thought that you only did this with fish.
It's amazing.
This is so good.
Look at this.
Would you do this with the turkey?
Definitely. I mean, you need to go into a salt mine, but yeah.